Open gmail.com in your PC. Yep. And now we're going to create an account. Here we're going to put our name like John Smith. We have to put our date of birth here. Gender male and next. Now we have to choose username. Oops, it's already taken. So we have to change it. Nope. Yep, it's work. It's unique. Now we have to put password, and password should be small and capital letters, included numeric keys. Now we have to put our phone number here. I have already used this number, so I can't use this number with multiple Gmail accounts. Yep, it's worked, and now it's time for OTP. You can skip this step here. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, it's done, and this is our new Gmail account. It's good to go. Thank you.